Moving on. Okay, and minus. That's it. And then if I want a double screen, split screen, click this one here, and then click this and split screen, and then I can turn this. And if like normally if we drive and then we want Google Map and we use the YouTube, so we can do the split screen. Example, it's gonna be like this. Let's see. And I can click this one here and search where will I go. Example, I will go to the shop where I put this. Okay, and then can continue playing here and make it even bigger like that, and then I can go this way. Start. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. Wait, start. Oh, so that's
Head
it.
southeast, then turn left.
So I can drive, and if ever I will backward,
From City
see,
North in Chilbury, Power Sound B9 may close
Yeah,
within 1 hour
this
of when you
one.
arrive.
the video and the map still continue even if I use the back camera when I move backward. Okay, so when I reverse. And what else? To check this out, click here and then turn off, and then click this one. Wait, turn off, and then click this one to make it bigger.
Cups for coffee.
So that's it. And next, what else? So it's gonna be like this. So YouTube, and if I